The tech world sold you a story for years, and most people believed it. If you wanted real power, you had to carry a heavy, expensive laptop. If a device was small, it was automatically labeled as basic, limited, or just for entertainment. But that narrative is collapsing right now, and Apple might be the company that finally breaks it for good. Because something unexpected is happening. The iPad mini, yes, the smallest, most underestimated device in Apple's entire lineup, is rumored to become one of the most powerful portable machines ever created. Not a casual tablet. Not a secondary gadget. But a serious, high-performance device that could challenge laptops in ways nobody imagined. This is the iPad Mini M5, and if the leaks are even partially true, this tiny tablet could completely redefine portable computing. For years, Apple followed a very predictable strategy. The smaller the iPad, the weaker the chip. The Mini always lagged behind, stuck with older processors while the iPad Pro received all the cutting-edge upgrades. It wasn't an accident, it was a clear product hierarchy designed to push users toward more expensive devices. But now, that strategy appears to be changing. The biggest upgrade rumored for the next iPad mini is the introduction of the M5 chip, Apple's next-generation silicon built for extreme performance and efficiency. This isn't just a small bump in speed. We're talking about desktop-class power packed into an 8-inch device. If you've used Apple Silicon before, you already know how fast these chips are. Instant app launches, seamless multitasking, and the ability to handle heavy workloads without slowing down. Now imagine that same level of performance in something you can hold with one hand. But there's a serious challenge here, and that's heat. Putting a powerful chip into a compact body usually leads to thermal problems. Performance drops, throttling kicks in, and the experience suffers. That's exactly why this next rumor is so important. Apple is reportedly testing advanced cooling solutions for smaller devices, including a vapor chamber system. This type of cooling is commonly found in high-end gaming hardware, not ultra-portable tablets. It spreads heat more efficiently, allowing the processor to maintain peak performance for longer periods. If Apple brings this to the iPad mini, it would be a game-changer. It means sustained performance. It means no slowdowns during heavy tasks. And it means this small tablet could handle things like 4K, or even 8K, video editing, high-end gaming, and professional workflows without breaking a sweat. Now let's talk about the display, because this could be another massive leap forward. The current iPad mini display is good, but it's not groundbreaking. That could change with a potential upgrade to OLED or even Apple's advanced tandem OLED technology. This would dramatically improve contrast, brightness, and color accuracy. Deeper blacks. Brighter highlights. More vibrant colors. And possibly the most important upgrade, promotion 120Hz refresh rate. Once you use a 120Hz display, it's hard to go back. Everything feels smoother, faster, and more responsive. Scrolling becomes fluid. Animations feel natural. And when combined with Apple Pencil, the experience becomes incredibly precise. For artists, designers, and note-takers, this could turn the iPad mini into one of the best compact creative tools on the market. But performance and display are just part of the story. The iPad Mini M5 could also become a serious gaming device. With Apple pushing AAA gaming on iPadOS and adding hardware-accelerated ray tracing, this small tablet could deliver console-level graphics in a handheld form. Pair it with a controller, and suddenly you have a portable gaming system that rivals dedicated handheld consoles, but with a sharper display and a more powerful chip. And unlike many gaming handhelds, Apple Silicon is known for efficiency. That means better battery life without sacrificing performance. Speaking of battery, this is where Apple continues to dominate. The M-series chips are incredibly power efficient. They scale performance based on what you're doing. Light tasks use minimal energy, while heavy workloads activate the full power of the chip. So even with a massive performance boost, the iPad mini could still deliver all-day battery life. And when it comes to productivity, things get even more interesting. With features like Stage Manager and Externa L-display support, the iPad mini can transform into a desktop-like setup. Connect it to a larger monitor, add a keyboard and mouse, and suddenly this tiny tablet becomes a full workstation. This is where the laptop replacement conversation becomes real. Because it's not just about power anymore, it's about flexibility. You can use it as a handheld device on the go, then plug it into a full setup at your desk. One device, multiple experiences. Apple is also investing heavily in AI, and the M5 chip is expected to take that even further. On-device AI processing means faster performance, better privacy, and real-time features like live translation, smart photo editing, and predictive app usage. Everything happens instantly, no waiting for cloud processing. And then there's the build quality. Apple is known for premium design, but the next iPad mini could push it even further with stronger materials, improved durability, and better audio. Speakers could become louder and more immersive, while microphones could use AI to isolate your voice in noisy environments. All of this combined creates a device that feels far more advanced than its size suggests. So what does all of this really mean? It means the iPad mini is no longer just a small iPad. It's becoming something entirely different, a compact powerhouse that challenges the idea that bigger devices are always better. If Apple delivers on even half of these upgrades, the iPad Mini M5 could become one of the most exciting releases in the tech world. A device that fits in your hand, but performs like a professional machine. And that's the real shift happening here. The future of computing isn't getting bigger, it's getting smarter, faster, and more portable. The question is, are we finally ready to replace our laptops with something this small? If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and let me know, would you actually switch to an iPad mini as your main device?